Hello, beautiful people, and welcome. I am so glad you are here with me today. 5 ways to prepare your toddler for their first flight. Traveling with a toddler does not have to be stressful. We are here to give you your checklist to calm. We're going to talk about something that can bring up a lot of anxiety for so many of us parents. That very first flight with our little ones. I know that feeling, that deep down worry about meltdowns at 30,000 feet. But I am here to tell you that it doesn't have to be that way. We are going to transform that fear into confidence, that stress into serenity. Today, I'm sharing my personal guide, 5 ways to prepare your toddler for their first flight. This is all about giving you the tools to create a journey that is not just bearable, but truly a positive, connecting experience for you and your child. We'll be together for about 12 minutes. Quick, actionable tips for stress-free travel. I've created this video especially for you, the parents on YouTube who are looking for practical, real-world advice that actually works. Remember this one thing: calm, confident parents make calm toddlers. Here's your checklist to calm. Let's begin. The first, and I believe most fundamental step on our checklist is preparation through practice. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Practice flying? How do I do that? But what we're really talking about is demystifying the experience. The unknown is what creates fear for us and for our children. So we're going to make the unknown familiar. We are going to turn this big, scary question mark into a fun and exciting adventure that they can look forward to. It's all about setting a positive expectation. Think about it from their perspective. Suddenly, they're in a strange, loud tube strapped into a seat with rumbling noises and new faces everywhere. It's a sensory overload. Find a wonderful, colorful picture book about airplanes. Sit down together, get cozy, and read it a few times in the days leading up to your trip. Point to the plane, the seats, the clouds. Use an excited, happy voice. Talk about how the plane goes up, up, up into the sky to go on a special trip. You are planting the seed that airplanes are fun and exciting. Next, we're going to play a game. Let's call it Let's Play Airplane. Set up 2 chairs like airplane seats. Have your toddler sit, and you sit next to them. Make a game out of buckling your seatbelts. Click. The airplane says, "We have to be safe." Make whooshing engine sounds together. Pretend to be the pilot. Talk about what you see out the window. This little bit of role-playing is incredibly powerful. They get to practice the physical act of sitting and buckling up, but in a playful context where they are in control. You are showing them. This is how children learn best. Through play and through connection with you. You don't have to keep these practice sessions long. We know our toddlers have the attention span of a beautiful little hummingbird, 10 to 15 minutes at a time. It's about consistency, not duration. Maybe you read the book one afternoon and play the airplane game the next morning. Just a few short positive sessions in the week before you travel will make a world of difference to your toddler. If you can, take a little field trip to watch planes take off and land. Pack a few snacks, lay out a blanket. Look, there goes a big plane. Soon we'll be on a plane just like that. If a trip to the airport isn't possible, don't you worry. YouTube is your friend. Find a short, child-friendly video of an airplane taking off or flying with happy music and smiling faces. Watch it together. Every time you do one of these activities, you add a layer of comfort and familiarity. You are replacing fear with curiosity. You're not just preparing them for the flight, you are deepening their trust in you and comforting their little minds. Assure them that you will be right here with them and that it's going to be okay. In fact, it's going to be wonderful. All right, let's talk about your magical bag of tricks, the carry-on. This bag is more than just a bag. It is your lifeline. It is your peace of mind. When you have what you need right at your fingertips, you radiate a sense of calm and control. And as we know, that calm is contagious. All right, let's pack this bag with intention, with foresight, and with love. First things first, essentials checklist. Foundation. Start with the basics. Diapers, wipes, then double it. Trust me on this. Change of clothes for your toddler. A spare shirt for you too. Spills happen. Fresh clothes are a necessity. Tuck them into a separate bag so they're easy to find. Lightweight blanket. Planes are unpredictable. A familiar blanket from home brings a profound sense of security. Comfort crew. A favorite small, soft toy. If they use a pacifier, pack at least 2 or 3 spares. One will inevitably roll under the seat into another dimension. It's just a law of physics. Having backups means no panic crawling on the floor. A pack of sanitizing wipes is non-negotiable. Wipe down the tray table, armrests, and the window, everything your child's curious hands will touch. Pack a few plastic bags for trash or soiled clothes, a small first aid kit with Band-Aids, antiseptic wipes, and travel-size meds. Always keep medications with you, never checked. Passports, birth certificates, boarding passes. There's nothing more stressful than digging through a giant bag at security or the gate. Have a fully charged portable charger for your phone or tablet. Do not leave home without it. We also need to think about their little ears and minds. Comfortable, volume-controlled toddler headphones help to create their own bubble of calm. If you're in the potty training stage, having a foldable travel potty seat can be a game changer. Disposable bibs. You will thank me for this one. They make cleanup after snack time so much easier. Mobility gear, a lightweight collapsible stroller to gate check, or a comfortable carrier, hands-free is essential and keeps your child secure. So here's the secret sauce. Make sure to pack duplicates of anything critical and organize them in clear labeled pouches. Diapering, snacks, first aid, activities. When a mini crisis hits, you won't rummage blindly. This level of organization is an act of self-care, your declaration of competence. Every item you pack is a solution to a potential problem. We've prepared their minds, we've packed our magical bag, and now we move to one of the most powerful tools, snacks. Snacks aren't just about hunger. They are a distraction. They are a comfort. They are a biological tool for popping ears. Have a variety of easy, non-messy, familiar snacks. Pouches, crackers, cheese sticks. Not the time to test freeze-dried kale. Stick to comforting favorites. Create moments of happy, quiet chewing. Hydration helps ear pressure. Breastfeeding or bottle feeding is the #1 go-to for takeoff and landing. Sucking and swallowing help the ears. For older kids, offer a spill-proof sippy cup or a small juice box as a special treat. The act of sipping helps. Think soft and easy. Applesauce or yogurt pouches, soft fruit pieces like banana slices or strawberries. Healthy, familiar, easy for little fingers. Next up, crunchier but manageable options. Yogurt melts, goldfish-style crackers, little animal crackers, cheese sticks, neat and protein-packed. Avoid major choking hazards, whole nuts, hard candies, and sticky, gooey things that end up smeared on seats, clothes, and hair. Aim for low-stress snacking. My favorite, the novel snack. Keep it hidden. Don't bring it out at the first sign of restlessness. Save it for a brewing meltdown, a powerful pattern interrupt, like a small bag of fruit snacks or a tiny box of new cookies. Reveal it with a little flair, like a magic trick. Crucial tip, avoid new foods right before the flight. Offer small, frequent portions. Don't give a huge snack at the beginning. Think steady drip. A few crackers here, a pouch there, banana slices later. Frequent small offerings mean more swallowing throughout the flight. It's a proactive strategy. Anticipate needs and meet them before they become problems. Every snack you pack is a little moment of peace, a moment of quiet, a moment of joy. It's a tool for connection, sharing a simple cracker. You're nourishing bodies and spirits and calming your nervous system too. Pack that snack bag with love, favorites, rainbow colors. Make it an adventure. This isn't just about filling tummies. It's a vital part of your checklist to calm. A delicious, effective way to ensure a smoother journey for everyone. We have to talk about the ears. That pressure change can be downright painful and scary for toddlers. Their eustachian tubes are narrower and more horizontal than ours, making it harder to equalize pressure. But knowledge is power. The master key is one simple action, swallowing. Every swallow helps open those little tubes and release pressure. Our whole strategy encourages that motion. As the plane taxis for takeoff and as you feel descent for landing, this is when you put your plan into action. Don't wait and see. Be proactive. If you are nursing or bottle feeding, latch on or offer the bottle. Continuous sucking and swallowing is most effective. Older toddlers, a sippy cup with water or a juice box, encourage small, frequent sips. Make it a game. A pacifier works beautifully. For older toddlers, offer chewy options, fruit leather or a soft granola bar to boost saliva and swallowing. You can make up a yawning game. Oh, I'm a sleepy lion. Can you be a sleepy lion too? Big yawns do wonders. Give a straw to blow bubbles in a cup with a tiny bit of water or just practice blowing. Gentle blowing can help equalize pressure. Frame it as a fun game, not a medical procedure. You are the fun maker, the game starter. If they still get fussy, the most important thing, stay calm. Your panic amplifies distress. Take a deep breath, hold them close, whisper reassuringly. Use distraction. Pull out the novel snack or a favorite toy, sing their song, or play a short engaging video. Gentle touch works miracles. Rub their back, stroke their hair, massage around the outer ear. Ask a flight attendant for warm water and a cloth. A warm compress over ears can soothe. If your child is congested, consider saline spray before the flight and talk to your pediatrician about decongestant options. Always consult your doctor before any medication. Have a plan A plan B, and a plan C. Try one. If it doesn't work, calmly move to the next. You are resilient, a problem solver, and you teach your child we work through discomfort together. We have arrived. You've stowed your magical carry-on and settled in. Before things get hectic, begin your seat setup. Create a little nest. Blanket on their lap, favorite toy tucked, headphones ready. Think about timing. Feeding during takeoff and landing helps ears. If it's near nap time, the gentle hum at cruise can help sleep. Work with their rhythms. Now, the main event, activity rotation. The secret is novelty and short bursts. Rotate activities in 5 to 10 minute intervals. Start with something quiet and low-key. Look at a quiet book together for 10 minutes, then put that away. Bring out a sticker sheet and paper, then a simple chunky puzzle on the tray. After a few quiet activities, shift the energy. Maybe sing a few favorites and then a short 10-minute episode with headphones. The key is the rotation. You are the cruise director of this tiny 2-seat resort, always one step ahead. When safe, take short aisle walks to reset mood and stretch legs. Being strapped in is hard for busy toddlers. Use lap time for connection, cuddles, quiet stories, or little finger play games like Itsy Bitsy Spider. Breathe, lower your expectations. This won't be a perfect flight. A fussy moment is okay. You are not being judged. Ask for help. Flight attendants can bring water, help with bags, and offer kind words. Don't be afraid to press the call button. Use the checklist. Rotate activities before over-tiredness. Stick to soothing routines. This isn't about control. It's about flow. You are the calm anchor in their little sea. You know the rhythm. You have the tools. You can guide them through. We've walked through it all together, from the very first thought of booking that ticket to landing safely at your destination. We've built our checklist to calm, piece by piece, giving you a real, tangible plan. See, not a list of chores, but a collection of loving actions. Every snack packed, every game played, every deep breath taken. Your energy is the most important thing you bring on that plane, more than any toy, any snack, any device. When you are prepared, calm, and meet challenges with grace, you teach them they are safe. You teach them the world is a place of wonder, not fear. That is the greatest gift on this flight and every day. You are ready. You have the tools, the knowledge, and the love. You've got this. Use the checklist to calm and make that first flight a positive memory. Thank you for spending this time with me. Go see the world with your beautiful family. You deserve it.